My name is Devashish Shorkar. I am an Associate Professor of Chemical Engineering Department at IIT Kharagpur. I am offering a course on plant design and economics. Plant design and economics is a core course for undergraduate chemical engineering students. Usually, students take this course when they are in their 7th or 8th semester of their BTech program. An important role for a chemical engineer is to develop, design and operate an industrial plant where useful products will be formed. And you have to produce useful products in a profitable and safe way. Now, this is not an easy problem because many engineering design problems are underdefined and therefore, there will be many possible solutions. There will be some solutions which are good, there will be some solutions which are not so good. So, you have to know the art to arrive at the good solution. The knowledge of plant design and economics will help you understand the fundamental principles and factors that are involved in designing a chemical plant which is technically and economically efficient. The course on plant design and economics covers two major aspects of chemical engineering. One, the engineering strategies for design of a chemical process, and two, engineering analysis of economics related to the chemical process. The primary objective of this course is to introduce you to the fundamental principles of plant design, engineering economics and safety features as applied to chemical processes and operations. Now, these are the broad course objectives and learning outcomes. The broad course objective is to introduce the basic concepts in plant design, engineering economics and safety features as applied to chemical engineering processes and operations. By the end of the course, the students will be able to develop a chemical process and perform a complete economic analysis of the plant. Students will also appreciate the importance of safety in design and operation. This will be the course coverage. This is the broad overview. We will start with basic aspects of process design. We will know how to select process equipment, how to select utilities. We will also learn how to select plant location, how to do plant layout and site selection. We will learn about engineering economics. This will allow you to do cost analysis. Next, we will learn about synthesis of heat exchanger network, chemical reactor network, as well as synthesis of separation systems. Then we will learn chemical process safety, and finally, we will learn optimum design and production scheduling. These are some reference textbooks. Plant Design Economics for Chemical Engineers by M.S. Peters and K.D. Timmerhose. Conceptual Design of Chemical Processes by J. Douglas. Systematic Methods of Chemical Process Design by Bigler, Grossman and Westerberg. And finally, Chemical Process Design and Integration by Robin Smith. I believe that this course will be useful not only for chemical engineering students, but it will also be useful for students from allied disciplines such as biochemical engineering, environmental engineering, etc. Practicing engineers as well as students who are writing competitive exams such as GATE will also be benefited. You will also get an opportunity to review the key concepts that you have learned in last 3 years for different courses such as mass transfer operations, heat transfer operations, chemical reaction engineering, process equipment design, etc. And you will now put them together for design and economic analysis of chemical plants. I hope if you register for this course, you will enjoy it. Thank you.